Okay, Michael here from Phuket, and this is the entrance of the Wat Chalong, and let's go inside and see what we can find there. Okay, now we are inside, and here's the part of the temple. The whole area is like Wat Chalong, so they have these nice, very beautiful buildings. And they probably have names also, but I don't know the names. So yeah, we can go a little bit further in and then we see what we can find more. Okay, so you recognize this building? Now we are at the other side of this building, and then you can see the beautiful things again there. They are very nice buildings here. And you have a little bit shadow if you want to sit here also. I don't know, they want to clean the bad spirits or clean the soul or whatever they do. So that's why they do these fireworks inside the box, in the urn, what they call it. So here we have one of the temples. There's actually monk inside that will do the rituals for you if you want to go inside. But I'm not going inside there now because I've been in these temples many times with my wife, so I know how it is. But we have also a beautiful building here, like a souvenir shop. Let's go check it out. Yeah, so you can buy some flowers and burning sticks for your prayings. Yeah, and here you can buy these Buddha amulets for souvenir, or what do you want to carry? Yeah, looks like this. There's one temple also to go for. You can buy some gold, you know, a gold leaf, and then you go inside, and then there's a Buddha inside, and then you stick the gold leaf inside at the Buddha statue, and then you do your prayings, and then you go out, and then comes the next one. So this is how they do, and this is how they gather the money here for building the new buildings and new temples and things like that. Okay, everybody, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share, and see you on the next one. Okay.